Welcome, Hornets! My name is Joanna. I'm a counselor in the Student Service Center, or SSC for short. Today I will be helping you understand the financial aid process. In this video, our friendly campus squirrel and I will explain the first steps you need to take, what to do after you've submitted your documents, and help you understand your offered awards and how financial aid is applied to your tuition and fees. You may have checked your View Financial Aid link and noticed that no awards are available for the current aid year and are wondering, where's my financial aid? By now you should already know how to log into your My Sac State Student Center. If not, you can view the video on navigating your Student Center on the SSC website. The following are the first steps you need to take to complete the review process and get offered financial aid awards. On your Student Center, you will need to check your holds, to-do list, and submit any required documents using the Upload Docs Here link. Click the Details link for a full description of any holds. You will want to look for the aid year the hold applies to and the department that placed the hold. Read the description to see what impacts the hold may have or any actions you may need to take. This hold is letting the student know that their file is incomplete because they have items that need to be completed on their to-do list. Check your to-do list often. Click the More link to get detailed info on your to-do list items. A status of initiated means action is required by the student. Items will have a link to download a form to print and complete, or a link to complete an e-form online. You can submit required items by uploading, faxing, mailing, or using the SSC Dropbox on campus. We do recommend uploading documents whenever possible. To upload, click the Upload Docs Here link from the financial aid links on your Student Center. After logging in, you should see a screen that looks like this. Select the file extension and then complete steps 1 through 3. If you use Mac products, the upload option is not compatible with Safari. Try a different browser such as Firefox or Google Chrome. Before we go further, if you have not seen any items on your to-do list from financial aid and are just waiting patiently, then you may want to check the following things. Have you completed a FAFSA or DREAM Act for the 2021-2022 aid year? Did you enter the school code for Sac State on your financial aid application? Our school code is 001150. Did you enter your SSN on your Cal State application? Is your name and SSN correct on both your Sac State account and your financial aid application? When in doubt, reach out to the SSC. We are here to help. Let's look at what you can do while you wait for financial aid to complete review of your file. If all of your financial aid items are in received status, please allow 4 to 6 weeks for financial aid to complete review and offer financial aid awards. Any item marked initiated is being requested from you. Received means that it is with our office and waiting to be processed. Please allow 5 business days for the status to change to received. Even if all of your financial aid items are in received status, it is still very important that you check your Student Center frequently during the review process. During the review process, additional items may be requested. Documents may be incomplete or reinitiated if information is missing on the form or if the document is not legible. Errors can also occur while uploading. Always check the status at least 5 days after uploading documents to make sure it changes to received. Financial aid may send an email notification to your Sac State email with specific information if a document is missing information or if clarification is needed. Check your email and look for new to-do list items. You will find the email icon on your My Sac State. Our financial aid office is busy working on reviewing the financial aid for all of our students. The SSC counselors and student assistants are here to assist if you have questions. You will get a hold on your account if you submit all your required financial aid documents by the priority document deadline of May 1st, or you have been offered awards. Fees deferred means a delayed initial payment that overrides your posted due date on the charges due screen. This is a good hold to have. The specific name of the fee deferment hold may change for different semesters, but the basic concept stays the same. Click on the details link for important details on payment deadlines. Read the description carefully. This hold does not prevent registration. This hold delays payment while you are waiting for your financial aid to be awarded or dispersed. You will receive an email notification to your Sac State email when your awards are ready to accept or decline. Before we get into how financial aid is applied to your fees, let's start with a few financial aid basics. The term financial aid includes grants, loans, and scholarships. Your eligibility for the various grants and loans is based on the info you provided on your FAFSA or DREAM Act. Your offered awards are based on full-time enrollment, which for financial aid purposes is 12 units each semester. Financial aid awards are dispersed based on your actual enrolled units. This does not include waitlisted courses. If you are enrolled in less than 12 units, some awards may be prorated based on enrollment. Disbursement begins 1 week before classes begin. Financial aid will be applied to current charges first, and remaining funds are refunded to the student or parent in the case of a PLUS loan. When classes begin, awards will automatically adjust when courses are added or dropped from your schedule. A good screen to view your awards for the whole aid year and broken down by each semester is the View Financial Aid link. To accept or decline your award offers, you will click the link to accept decline awards. Click on the aid year. Then you will click the boxes next to the awards to accept or decline. Grants do not have to be paid back. Loans do have to be paid back. All loans accrue interest, but the government is paying the interest on the subsidized loan while you are enrolled in school at least half-time. Check the studentaid.gov website for current interest rates. The PLUS loan is a loan borrowed by the parent based on their credit and requires additional steps to be completed after accepting. When you are all done selecting what you want to accept or decline, click the Submit button. After submitting, you can no longer make changes to your accepted or declined awards using the screen. You can find a Change in Aid e-form using the Forms link on your Student Center. After accepting your awards, you will still want to monitor your holds and to-do list. Disbursement is a financial aid term for the payment of funds. If you are waiting on your disbursement, check improper holds that are preventing your aid from paying. You could also have new to-do list items that need to be completed. Some examples may be if you are not enrolled in the minimum number of units required for financial aid, or you may need to complete loan requirements in order for financial aid to disperse. Review the details of each item and take action if needed. Keep in mind general processing timeframes for financial aid to-do list items in received status is 3 to 4 weeks. If you have accepted your awards, cleared any holds, to-do list items have been processed, and you are enrolled in the minimum required units, then financial aid awards should be ready to disperse. Financial aid awards will automatically be applied to the balance on your Student Center account summary. Remember, if you have the financial aid fee deferment, your initial payment deadline is extended. Your charges may show as past due while you are waiting for financial aid to disperse. You can check for and view the financial aid disbursement transactions by clicking on the account inquiry link and view the activity. Financial aid disbursements will show as a payment. After your balance is zero, remaining financial aid funds will be issued to the student as a refund. To receive your refund more quickly, you can sign up for e-refund to have your refund direct deposited to your bank. Refunds from a Parent Plus loan will be issued to the parent in the form of a check sent by USPS mail. We covered a lot of information, and there's no way to get all the information into one quick video. If you have any questions on your account, please reach out to our amazing staff and student assistants in the SSC. Thanks for watching, Hornets. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the financial aid process. Our happy campus squirrels, as well as all of us in the SSC, welcome you to Sac State.